tayo sa may Dubai Airport, Terminal 3. I was supposed to fly, when was that? Wednesday? 2 days ago. Supposedly Wednesday. But the nagkaroon ng, I don't know, problem that we cannot explain about my passport. Anyway, ang importante ngayon we're flying na. So time check, now it's Friday, 11:25 PM, June 14. So may stopover kami sa Hong Kong na 3 hours. Tapos ang dating namin sa Pilipinas is 8:30. So ayan, medyo nahuli lang tayo ng 2 days. 2 days, and ang pinakamasaklap niyan, we lost the ticket that we had. So we need to pay again. We need to pay for a one-way ticket again, which is kind of expensive kasi it's a holiday na dito. Eid na, start na ng holiday bukas. It's a long weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So that's a long weekend, so travel lahat yan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Marhaba Lounge, Plaza Premium ng Emirates. So yan lang ang update natin. So tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. So wala pa tayong, I haven't been riding since Tuesday. Since Tuesday hindi tayo nagra-ride, pero ang last na weight ko is 98.1 something. Anyway, kumbaga nakita naman natin yung weight natin. It's up to 98. May go at one point tumaas siya ng mga almost 100, pero naman natin kasi hindi tayo masyadong kumakain ng todo at saka na-stress tayo dun sa problema sa passport. Akala ko hindi na ako makaka-travel Well, yan lang. So maybe this will be posted siguro 3 days after 3 days, so maybe on the 17th. Anyway, yan na lang muna ang update sa ating Pinas vacation. So let's go. Ayan na, naka-board na kami ng aeroplano. So 7+ hours to Hong Kong. Naka-Emirates kami. So hindi kami window seat kasi when we book the flight, wala nang available na window seat. So ito na lang, that's the best seat we can. Nakiusap lang kami na pagsamahin kami. Yung na-book namin ay magkahiwalay pa nga kaming seats. Well, anyway, yan, will be ang arrival natin sa Hong Kong is after 8 hours. So technically ang arrive sa Pilipinas is 8:30 PM Philippine time. So yan, see you in Hong Kong. Let's go. So yun, touchdown Hong Kong na tayo. Andito tayo sa may Plaza Premium Lounge. Kain kami ng yan. So ang stopover namin dito sa Hong Kong is now it's 4 o'clock. So ang flight is 6:15. So 2 hours. So yun, and so yan, see you sa Pinas. Let's go. So ito na, dito na kami sa last airplane to Manila. PAL ang connecting namin Hong Kong to Manila. So time check, it's 5:35. Dating namin sa Manila 8:30 ba? 8:30. So ayan, yun lang, ayan. Let's go. So ayan na yung natin. I'm a bit confused. Binigyan ako ng water, cutlery set, at saka dry bangko. I don't know baka pagbibigay pa sila ng food. So antay-antayin muna natin bago tayo kung ano nung sabihin. Hindi ko alam hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko bang gamitan ng cutleries tong dried mango, pero let's wait and see. So ayan na, yun na yung cutleries para dito sa this is touchdown na tayo in a few minutes. Delayed pala yung flight namin kasi malakas yung ulan sa Hong Kong. Delayed na 1 hour. Kaya ayan, let's go. Ayan na, Pinas na kami. Tapos long weekend pa. Let's go. Ito na, touchdown Manila. Let's go. Grabe naman tong ano natin, driver natin.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now is 9:01 in the evening. Still Saturday, June 15, and our ground temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. Please check the areas around you for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, kindly bring last and cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. For passengers with immediate connecting flights, please get in touch with our ground flag personnel. On behalf of Captain Bernie Vasco and First Officer Kevin Nidea and the rest of the Airbus 321 crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Mabuhay. Hindi kita eh.